do you look like that?
I'm just trying to listen to you.
You're like this. Okay, ready?
I didn't realize I had to use that.
What's up, world? It's your boy Leo. Welcome back to another episode of Disney Vision. Today we're here at DCA to check out Guardians of the Galaxy Monsters After Dark. You ready to go do this?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go, babe. We gotta go find Baby Groot. Watch out, there's a mummy behind us.
Attention, Terrans. May I present to you Ladies and gentlemen, we kindly request our VIP guests to bear with us whilst we restore power back to the collection. We are currently experiencing some technical difficulties. To correct the situation, if you do see a loose creature, please don't make any sudden gear. Tanneling collected.
Welcome, distinguished guests, to your VIP tour of my... The most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life. You allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions. Beauty of my collection, each cage with unimaginable power, coming directly outward. Keep them in perpetual suspension, perpetual suspension.
Collection VIP tour is currently having a temporary delay. Do not leave the building.
We gotta find Baby Groot, babe.
Perpetual suspension.
All Terrans in the fortress, please bear with us. With our power outage, some of the cages have opened and a few of the creatures are loose in the vicinity. Our creature control staff is aware and busy rounding everything up. If you do happen to encounter one of our creatures loose out of its cage, please, it is very, very important.
Oh my gosh. We gotta find Baby Groot, babe. I don't know where I'm going. Babe, don't leave me all by myself. Is that Baby Groot?
Negative.
Clear. Yours. Errand. And the doors open towards you.
Welcome, everybody.
Right on entrance. You're much safer inside.
We're safe in here?
All the way forward, please, Karen. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Alright, so welcome to the fortress, everyone. I should just let you all know that the tour is a little awkward right now because all the creatures are in process of...
Gotcha.
Wait a minute.
Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait! Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Alright, so I know you're all helping Rocket, and that's all fine and dandy and stuff. Just don't make any eye contact with any of the creatures, and you should be fine.
Oh, great.
Good luck out there.
Lana earlier.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some minor power outages that may have affected the locks on the cages. As a reminder, note on stop.
Meet Rocket at the gantry lift.
Wait! It's all systems! We need containment on all levels! For your safety once more, please rise. With your restraints securely fastened, keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your tone, children.
Are you nervous?
No.
You're not nervous?
Kind of.
I always get nervous.
Oh my gosh, that's right. It's
Watch your language! Very still.
That was awesome. How'd you like it, babe?
Oh my god, it was so much fun.
Let me see. What are you doing? Alright guys, that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. Until next time, peace!